My old man told me, son, life is hard. You'll be knocked down by the wind and rain, and feel the lightning inside your heart, like a thunderstorm in the dark sky, trying to strike you down. But I don't let it, because you taught me to always stand my ground. No, I don't let it strike me down, because I always stand my ground, and I get back up off the ground. You taught me right from wrong, you taught me respect now. I hold on to your word and lessons through all of my battles, my journey, my life, my travels. I still remember when my old man said, you'll be knocked down by the wind and rain, and feel the lightning inside your heart, like a thunderstorm in the dark sky. Couple years gone by now, I'm 20 years old, and my old man's 64. And to this day I still remember the things he taught me when I was young.